right, babe, so why am I excited to be on camera today?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, we've got a secret for you guys that we've been working on. What's our big secret?
It's a cool new mat for you guys to enjoy.
And Herman is always checking out my nail studio, and he's always like, this place is a mess, and I'm fighting dust, fibers, fuzz, everything as a gel person.
Implements.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of stuff.
Dropping implements, clanging, weird noises coming out of this room, right?
Yep.
So this is our latest project, and maybe you want to tell them a little bit about what this is or what it's made of, because you're the one that's been helping me figure this out.
Yeah, this has been a little bit of a project for me based on some of the feedback that I've gotten from you about, using different types of mats and towels and whatnot. So I kind of took it upon myself to look into a few other options and came up with this, which is pretty cool. It's essentially a silicone mat that we made to be specially formulated for nail technicians. Mm-hmm. And essentially it's made out of food grade silicone.
So you could eat off of this if you really wanted to.
Technically, yes.
Don't eat your gel.
Yeah, don't do it. But more because of the ability of people to use it and rest their hands on it and just make sure that it's hypoallergenic and that people aren't just and especially also the smell. So if it's something that's food grade, it means that you're not going to get that usual plasticky or rubbery chemical smell.
Like we did when we got our gel mattress.
Right. So, and then also make it so that's large enough so that you can have a large enough workspace.
Which is cool. And I'm going to show you guys this on my table in a second. But this thing is huge and it's super flexible. And like Herman said, the material that we actually figured out how to make this out of and what we sourced this for is that I have thrown acetone on this, right? Mm-hmm. Rubbing alcohol. And I'm not even an acrylic person, but I even threw monomer on this and it didn't do anything to it, which is pretty cool. Now, does that mean you can dip this in a vat of acid and nothing's going to happen to it? I mean...
Probably not.
Probably not. But at least for the day-to-day stuff, I've been using the same mat on my table for several months now, and it's been holding up really well. The other cool thing, right, that we figured out was, how to wash these.
Yeah, it's precisely because it's nonstick. You can basically put anything or drop anything, spill anything on it, and it just comes right off. All you really need to do is as simple as throwing it into your washing machine.
Yeah. So I've been throwing it in my washing machine, and it comes out great. So all I do is toss it in with a little bit of soap and my other spa towels that I use on my table for wiping my hands or lotion or whatever. And I don't put it in the dryer because I don't need to, but it comes out perfectly clean every time. And the other cool thing is I can use it as a palette for my gels, and that's why we decided to make it white, because then you can mix stuff on it. You can easily see what it is. So even while I'm working on my table surface, I can use a spatula and mix gels on it, which is really cool.
And that's why we also wanted it to be as big as it is, because we wanted you to be able to have your stuff in the center, or even if you're off to the side and you're going to have enough room in one side or the other to be able to use it as a palette and mix all your colors and do whatever you need to do.
Yeah. So we're really excited about this. And I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like on a table surface, show you all the different uses for this thing. But we are really excited about this because I feel like it answers the whole problem of fuzz with gel and how there's really no fuzz-free anything.
Right.
This is finally
And it's great at actually catching, absorbing, and attracting dust. So
which is
sticks
really
to
crazy.
It really well.
Yeah, you noticed that.
Yes. I come in here and I start feeling it around and I see that all that stuff sticks to it, which is
like
great.
a dust magnet.
Right. And then all you need to do to get that stuff off is, like we said, just throw it in the washing machine.
Yeah.
So.
And of course, my favorite part, it says the Nail Hub on it, of course. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this. And Herman is the brainchild behind this whole thing. Super excited to have this new product for you guys. We're going to put it up on the site, and I'm going to put up this video for all of you so you guys can see what it's all about. The Nail Hub mat is flexible and pliable, doesn't lose its shape or never has folds or kinks, and lays perfectly smooth on your table. It's made of high-grade ingredients that are hypoallergenic, extremely smooth to the touch, and are perfect for working with gel. You can use your Nail Hub mat as a palette and paint directly off of it after mixing whatever colors you need. You can also cleanse your brushes on it without the need for wipes or liquid cleanser. Simply clean your brush, bring it back into a point, and cap it. The mat is easily cleaned with alcohol or acetone and is solvent resistant and unaffected by monomer. To clean up your work area, simply fold the mat to collect all the dust and toss it in your washing machine. It comes out clean every time. So we're super excited about this, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. I'll be posting more tutorials using this thing while I'm doing nails, and you guys can see exactly how it works in the process. But I think this is gonna be an awesome answer to all of us gel nail techs who have been looking for a 110% lint-free surface to work on that we can use for not only protecting our table, but also using as a palette, and we're not afraid to get it dirty with acetone, alcohol, monomer, whatever you can possibly think of. So I'm gonna beat these things up for a long time to come. And I also like the fact that they're reusable. So I'm not throwing away paper towels. I'm not doing, things like that where it breaks down, it gets wet, it gets linty, it gets peely, and this thing is gonna hold up no matter what I do to it. Super excited, guys. Can't wait for you to try it.